In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website from Google Analytics. If you no longer need to track a specific site, or you want to clean up old properties in your account, Google Analytics gives you a way to remove that website property by moving it to the trash. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence. First, open Google Analytics and log into your dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one analytics account. Starting from the right account is important because deleting the wrong property can affect your reporting and access later on. Once you're inside the analytics dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the admin gear icon. This will take you to the settings area where you can manage accounts and properties. In the admin section, go to the account column and use the drop-down menu to choose your main account. If you have several accounts listed, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one before moving on. Next, move over to the property column. Open the drop-down menu there and select the specific website property you want to delete. This step matters because Google Analytics properties can look similar, so it's a good idea to double-check the website name before continuing. After selecting the correct property, click on Property Details, which appears just below the property drop-down. This opens the settings page for that website property and gives you access to the option to remove it. Now look to the top right corner of the Property Details page and click Move to Trash Can. This is the action that begins the deletion process. Keep in mind that this step affects the selected property, so it's worth pausing for a second to make sure you're deleting the intended website. A warning pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision. To finalize it, click Move to Trash. Once you do that, the website property will be moved out of your active analytics list. And that's it. The website has now been removed from your active Google Analytics properties by being sent to the trash. If you're managing multiple websites, staying organized in analytics can make reporting much easier and help prevent confusion later. Just be careful whenever you remove a property and always verify the account and website selection before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly delete a website from Google Analytics.